an amazing AI model developed by OpenAI that can do some mind-blowing language processing. And guess what? With the latest update, it's about to get even more mind-blowing. Let us tell you what's new with GPT 3.5. So OpenAI has made some serious improvements to the technology behind it, making it smarter and more intuitive than ever before. But wait, there's more. They've introduced fine-tuning. This brings up focus models that's super efficient for specific tasks like code completion or maintaining a consistent tone. Businesses can now make ChatGPT an even better tools for their needs by training it on their own data. In simpler terms, this means you can now customize and optimize this model for your specific use cases. How cool is that? So, let's talk about why the new fine-tuning capabilities in ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo are so awesome. Fine-tuning is when you take a model that's already been trained and train it some more on a smaller data set to make it really good at specific tasks. This makes the model perform even better and easily handle specific cases. And now, with the fine-tuning feature in GPT 3.5 Turbo, developers and researchers can easily customize the model to fit their exact requirements. So, here's the deal with fine-tuning. It's a process that tweaks a neural network like GPT 3.5 Turbo to improve its performance on specific tasks. Let's say you're creating a health chatbot. By training GPT 3.5 Turbo with medical data, you can make its answer more accurate and precise. But wait, there's more. Fine-tuning also allows you to adjust the style, tone, and format of the model. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. Fine-tuning also increases the model's capacity, which means it can handle more tasks at once. This opens up a world of possibilities for tackling complex challenges that were previously out of reach. Just imagine the potential applications, from improving chatbots and virtual assistants to enhanced language translation and content generation. Here's another cool feature. The fine-tuned model can handle up to 4,000 tokens, twice as much as previous models could handle. That means you can provide longer inputs and get longer outputs for the models. Talk about getting your money's worth. In fact, OpenAI now offers double what the previous models could interpret. And guess what? Early testers have found that they can use 90% shorter prompts after priming GPT 3.5 with finely tuned instructions. That's some serious efficiency right there. Now let the US give you some tips for making fine-tuning work its magic even better. Craft good prompts, gather information from outside sources, and take advantage of built-in tools. There's so much more than fine-tuning can do for us. When we craft prompts, it helps the model understand exactly what we're looking for. And when we need information, it can pull data from sources. Tools allow model to create art or search the web, making our chatbot even smarter. By combining all of these techniques with fine-tuning, our chatbot becomes truly impressive. It can provide facts from Wikipedia and generate pictures based on your request, instead of using generic GPT-3 variants like DaVinci 002 or Babbage 002. But now, with fine-tuning ChatGPT, your chatbot can sound exactly like your brand and cater directly to user preference or target any specific niche you desire. It's like getting a tailor-made suit that fits perfectly. With fine-tuning Chat, GPT is capable of sounding exactly like your brand and catering directly to your user preference, no matter how niche they may be. Oh, by the way, it also supports pagination and offers more extensibility options along the way. Alright, now that you know what this impressive tool is capable of, let's explore its limitless potential. Just imagine the power of GPT 3.5 Turbo, a remarkable technological feat. But when you add some fine-tuning magic to the mix, we're pushing the boundaries of what GPT-4 can achieve. And for those unfamiliar, GPT-4 is considered as one of the most powerful generative AI models available today. It excels in both handling images and text, powering the premium ChatGPT Plus. With a significantly higher token capacity than its predecessor GPT 3.5, it tackles more complex problems with even greater accuracy. ChatGPT 3.5 shines in completing general and chat-specific tasks, making it an ideal choice for most requirements. Additionally, GPT 3.5 can mimic voices. This means it can assist in crafting ad copy or even contribute to internal communications by providing partially AI-generated content. So, you see, the potential of this technology is truly astounding. Now let's talk about how you can fine-tune your ChatGPT models. First things first, you need to grab yourself a dataset. This data should be what you want your chatbot to learn, like customer questions and corresponding chatbot answer. Make sure it's formatted correctly according to the requirements laid out by OpenAI. Once you have your dataset ready, it's time to upload it into the OpenAI platform. Luckily for you, they allow a decent amount of data to be uploaded. Then proceed with settings up a fine-tuning job. This step tells OpenAI which model you're working with and which dataset to use. You also get some options to customize how the model learns through these neat things called hyperparameters. Now that everything is all set, OpenAI will start the training process for you. The duration of this training could vary depending on factors like your specific dataset and what kind of task you're assigning the model. Luckily, OpenAI provides tools for keeping tabs on this progress along the way. Once training is complete, hoorah! Your tailored ChatGPT model is now at your disposal. You can start using it by referencing its unique ID assigned during the training process. And just like that, you have a specialized chatbot model ready to cater specifically to your needs. So, right now, if you want to fine-tune something with OpenAI, you have to do a few things. First, you need to get your data ready and upload all the files you need. Then, you can create a fine-tuning job through OpenAI's API. But here's the catch. Before your data can be used, it has to go through a moderation process using the company's safety standard and their GPT-4 powered system. They want to make sure everything is in line with their guidelines. But don't worry, because OpenAI has plans to make this whole process easier in the future. They're working on launching its fine-tuning UI that will have a dashboard where you can check the status of your ongoing fine-tuning workload. It'll be a lot more user-friendly and convenient for everyone involved. You can totally boost the performance of GPT 3.5 Turbo on a specific task and customize it for your own domain. Plus, you can save some serious cash by training GPT 3.5 Turbo on your own data. Let's break it down by sectors, man. If you're a content creator, marketer, or novelist, this can help you generate high-quality content that's totally tailored to your needs. And if language translation is your jam, it's got your back too. GPT 3.5 Turbo is a killer at accurately translating content between languages, smashing through those pesky language barriers and making global communication a breeze. How rad is that? When it comes to customer service, tweaking GPT 3.5 Turbo can make a huge difference for chatbot and virtual assistants. By training the model on actual customer interaction, companies can give more personalized and precise answers, improving the customer experience. But if you compare this ChatGPT 4 with the other ones, honestly, GPT 4 is a little bit better. It's bigger, faster, and more versatile. It can process up to 8K tokens at once, which is twice as much as GPT 3.5, and it can do a bunch of tasks that GPT 3.5 can't do. Plus, it can handle more complex stuff like image captioning, visual question answering, and text-to-image generation. But hey, we gotta admit that it still has some areas to improve on. So, if you asked us which one is better, is ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 3.5 worth the money? We say yes to both questions. Just remember that it's a helpful tool for work, not a replacement for workers. Also, check this out. Microsoft is also in the action. They've got these tools, GPT-based models, as part of their AI Builder and Power Virtual Agent services. These models are designed to connect with companies' internal data and come up with responses. Microsoft says you can use them to summarize info or create content for email campaigns. Just like OpenAI's bot, Microsoft's AI bot can be customized and connect to businesses' knowledge base to generate responses based on company data. So if you're a developer, content creator, or just someone who loves playing around with cool AI tech, you absolutely cannot afford to miss out on this update. Head on over to the OpenAI website and get yourself acquainted with GPT 3.5. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And you guys don't disappoint us. Do subscribe and push the notification bell for new AI content like